Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up multiple monitors right here on ThinkorSwim. So you're having a nice setup right here standing in your room and you want to use multiple screens with nice features or nice options on the screen. Then what you need to know right here is a simple trick, and I'm using that too right now. Because right now if we go here to Market Watch and we go right here to the three lines, we can detach. And then right now, if you can see, we can throw it right here to a monitor. And if you don't want it, we click here on the cross, but we can also do this right here for the charts. So click right here and then we do detach. And then we can put the chart right here to some screens that we want to use. So this is in a nutshell what you need to know right here. Just detach your screen and then throw it to where you need it. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. There's also a little option right here that you can do here on your own screen. So then you can have multiple screens on one screen. So you can also play right here with this. But if you have questions about how to set something up with your monitors, comment it down below. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.